Wow, I am so excited. My name is Becky. I'm so excited to talk to you about Forsage. Forsage is an online business that just came out newly and they are moving at a very fast rate. I just registered recently, and as you can see, I registered recently and I've already made some money. Yes, I just registered recently. First of all, let me just explain what it is. These, as you can see figures here. uh, I will encourage you to find something doing, irrespective of the fact that you have money coming in into your account. But the question is, how much do you spend in a day? Not only in a day, but how much do you spend in a week, or how much do you spend in a month in your house? And when you look at it, you discover that you just have one source of income coming into your account, and that one source of income coming into your account, you are going to see that your expenses is actually above what comes in. And because of that, it will look as if nothing is happening. And from the way things are going on now, salaries are being slashed down, people are complaining, no money, the lockdown here and there, and a lot is happening. But I tell you, you can make good use of the internet. You can make good use of social media and make money. You don't need to many people are scared talking to people today about referring or not referring, and that's why I love Forsage, because Forsage as a network is a smart contract automated network. When I mean smart contract is a new technology in town, or a new technology in the world today, that it is the latest technology. It cannot be hacked for now. I didn't say, but for now, it cannot be hacked. So you can view my backend. This is my ID number. And as you can see, these are the numbers of people that have earned. These are the numbers of people here. This one here, as you can see, this one here, as you can see, is the number. This is the total number of all the participants. 8,59128. Then you see people that are joining hourly, on a hourly basis, is 2,349. These are the people that are joining. Then look at the people that have earned Ethereum. This participant, this figure here, as you can see, have earned Ethereum. And these people here have not only have they earned Ethereum, but they have also earned dollars. They've earned dollars. Wow, I'm so excited. I just referred one person, and as of the time I referred one person, I was already paid $10 in X4. I was paid $10 in X4. As you can see here, this is X3. I have $10 for one person. In X3 platform is a platform where your referrals are being positioned. You position your referrals or your partners in X3. Then when you come to the platform called X4, there are two platforms on Forsage. When you come to the platform called X4, you discover that the X4 platform is the investment. You can call it the investment platform or the team building platform. There you earn from both those above you, and you also earn from those below you. And there you discover that you need to invest there. There is where you invest. And I'm not giving you 100% assurance that if you invest your money there, that you are going to make money, but you are going to make money, but it all depends on the team you are working with. The question there, the big question mark there is, what kind of team are you working with? What kind of team are you working with? See, this one, I know the question you'll be asking is, how much do I need to invest? I will advise you, yes, the actual amount, it goes for 10,000 naira. 10,000 naira, but as of today, Ethereum is at a is climbing, is moving very fast. Ethereum is moving very fast, very fast. When I mean very fast, it's almost 200,000 naira. As of the time this thing came out, Ethereum was around $80, 80,000 naira. But now Ethereum is roughly, one Ethereum goes for $400 US, which is roughly slightly above 200,000 naira. So when you use when I registered with 16,000, but the cost of why it is 16,000 is not just because of what it is, but because of the gas and everything and the pressure. People are actually, everybody's like, I want to make that money, I want to make that money. I don't know about you. What do you have in mind? What do you have in mind? Do you want to make the money? If you want to make the money today, it is not too late for you to make the money. But I want you to have something in mind. You have to look for the winning team. Join a winning team today. And I'm assuring you that if you join a winning team, definitely you are going to make it. No matter your investment, you'll make it. Because I actually joined a winning team. And that's why you can see here that within a space of, it's not barely 2 weeks, it's not up to 2 weeks, and I've already made $31. Wow, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. So please, what are you doing? If you feel that you want to invest your money and have another stream of income, why not inbox me or register through the link below my video, and you are going to be surprised at the change